Hey everybody, what's up? It's Andrew. If you are on the SaaS plan, that you've probably messed around with custom dashboards. It's one of the awesome features of being on the SaaS plan. And I want to introduce to you 3 new elements that we can use whenever we are customizing our dashboards. So whenever you are creating a new dashboard, let's go ahead and make just a test one right here. You now have the ability to throw in your regular widgets and such, as you can see here on the plus side of things. But also we have access to elements now, which is really cool. And here we have the ability to embed code. So things like external widgets like Google Sheets, YouTube videos, things like that. But we also now have the ability to add in titles, images, and text boxes, which are really cool when it comes to customizing your custom dashboards. So if we want to add in, let's say, a title, we can create these widgets with one of 3 things, either custom text, the current date, or the dashboard name itself. Obviously, if you select the dashboard name or the current date, there's not going to be anything for you to write. But if we select custom text, then we can throw in whatever we would like to include, like this. And when we can do that, we can also mess with the text color itself using a hex code or just leaving it as is. We can also mess with the background color. And then the last piece of customization is the actual alignment. So we're going to make this center aligned, and we can click save. Now, once you do that within your dashboard itself, it's going to pop in as an element, pretty similar to the website builder, which you can move around when you have other objects in your website builder itself. So let's say, for example, we have a couple standard widgets. So if you have something like this, you can move around that piece of text to put it in between different widgets, put it all the way at the bottom. The UI right here is really customizable, and it looks really good whenever you're messing with any of these elements. When you click add widget at the top right-hand side, we can go back to that element section and we can see the image selection as well. So we can give this a title if we would like, and then we can click here to upload an image straight from our media library. You can throw in things like logos or whatever's going to work best on your dashboard. Now, this little dashed area is going to give you an idea of the actual area that the element itself is going to take up. And then you can select accordingly what type of fit you would like. So contain would keep it within that section. Cover would bring it cover to cover. Fill would squish the image to fit in the rectangle. And none would just center the image itself. If we click save, then it'll throw in that widget onto our dashboard, in which we can move around just like we can move around our title and any of our other widgets on the dashboard itself. It's really intuitive and makes it pretty easy to edit the dashboard itself. You can also turn on and off the ability to hide the title. So if we uncheck that, then the image will have a title as its own little object. The last element we have access to now is going to be the text box element. So this is just going to be any section of text. We can customize it just like anything using different formatting tools like bolding, underlining, everything like that. And the text itself is going to match itself to the font on your dashboard itself. When we type in our text and we click save, then this element is going to drop into our dashboard. And again, we can move it around, put it where we would like it, and make everything look exactly as we would like it to look on our custom dashboard. When we're done, we just click save changes at the top right-hand side. We can set it as our default dashboard if we would like. And again, if you need help navigating back to that section where you can create and edit your dashboards, you can go ahead and select this button at the top left-hand side to switch between dashboards or add in new dashboards. And if you would like to edit the current dashboard you're on, then you can just click the little pencil at the right-hand side, and it's going to take you right back to this screen where you can click add widget and drop in any of those elements that you would like to add in. This is a super cool feature. We already have so much customization when it comes to our custom dashboards, and it's going to make running your companies on HighLevel even easier. If you have any questions about how this works, then drop a comment. And as always, thank you so much for watching.